The listing field in the lead record allows you to either show from which listing this lead originally came, or select the most appropriate listing that you think this client will be interested in. If a lead came from your website or a property portal from a page that was specifically for one particular listing, then recording from which listing this was is very important. It allows you to track the marketing performance of each of your listings in terms of number of leads received. It also allows you to give feedback on the efficacy of your marketing to sellers or landlords, and may be a good tool for negotiating a price reduction if you feel the price may be too high. If this is a generic lead, then add the listing that you feel is at the top of the list for the client. By linking a listing to a lead, it will pull additional fields through to the offer record should you convert this lead to an offer. This will save you time when filling out the offer record.